Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can become Krabby Patty on Dress to Impress. So color your skin white, and we're going to use these pom-poms as well. We're going to color it red. I'm gonna go with this red, but just a little bit darker than the usual red here. We'll see how it looks on the rest of the costume, but going to use this one, and we're going to select 4. Let's just copy that same red. Then we are going to select these pants, and we're going to color it the like iconic blue pants that Mr.Krabs wear. It's not going to be the same right now because I'm not bothered enough to look at the color codes. Then we're going to use the cupcake, and we're going to add this one to the bottom one. I think it's a little bit too blue, so we're gonna do this instead. Something like that. And for the top, we're going to make it this like light blue color, a little bit darker than that though. Just copy and paste the rest of that as well. Then we are also going to use this top here, and we're going to paste that same blue. We're gonna make that like the second one white. Then you do need VIP for this because you'll need the like Mr.Krabs nose. We're going to use this, and we're going to color it red, but like the darker red. Let me just get that color code again. I should probably save it, but at this point I'm not super bothered. But going to use this next, color that red, and for the second one we're going to use this pattern for kind of like the eyes. So like this is the mouth, and then we'll need the gloves here and make it the short version. Okay, we also need these shoes. Gonna color everything that same red color. And lastly, we will need the VIP like hand warmers, the like fur ones. This one. Again, color it the same. Trying to find a like pose so you can see the hands a little bit. I think it's under Gala Pose Pack, teacup maybe? Sideways water. No, okay. But that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. As you can see, we have created Mr. Krabs. These are his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. I'm trying to find like a cute pose where you can like see the, oh, well, kind of. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Still trying to find a cute pose. Here we go. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.